License suspended or revoked? Your life shouldn't stop because your license did.
In the US, driving means work, family, and freedom. That search could be the first step back on the road.
Licenses are suspended for DUIs, points, missed court dates, or paperwork issues. License laws change by state. Local lawyers know the DMV rules and the hearing officers. Restoration takes more than waiting. It means hearings, records, evaluations, and fees. A lawyer prepares your testimony, organizes evidence, and avoids costly mistakes.
Even if full reinstatement isn't possible, a hardship license may be.
Driving suspended is a crime. Fix your license before it gets worse.
Get your freedom back. Call a driver's license restoration lawyer near you today.